The final video, guys. There we go. So you can kind of see what I've been doing. The sun's going down. I am just finishing off this last video with a little explainer of what I'm doing behind the scenes of the video. There's a lot of stuff to be done. I mean, this thing, it's actually fake plastic. It's very hard plastic, but it's not really glass. It's really hard plastic. So it's probably been quite good for something at one time. It's like almost plexiglass, but not quite. It's very sharp, but yeah, it's actually on the plastic level. Because glass is actually something that will break if you drop it on a hard surface, but the plastic, it doesn't really break. It just tends to biodegrade, and it sort of falls apart itself once it gets old enough and it can't gone misshapen. As you can see, there's just a lot of messy tidying to do. I've got all that boxes, just tons of it everywhere. Now I'm going to try to put it somewhere. It's not there, probably right. As long as the cat doesn't decide to jump up there and then she'll end up falling off some point. Because somehow I can't see that. A bit too curious for own good. Yeah, and there's lots of polystyrene involved with this. Christmas decoration, like tree stuff, is just kind of old. Well, showing its age. All this stuff needs to be gone anyway. Sitting there for so long, it's time to be gone. There we go. Too much mess to deal with. This is that way. I don't know what this thing is, but I think that's something to do with what old panel we could have it. The old age used to think at one time. There's a lot of more improvements going, but I might finish the rest of this off tomorrow because time. I'm meant to get today for that moment, so got too much to do. It's only 7 o'clock though. So, last 3 minutes. See if we can just get this last little bit done. Some of this mess requires only to pay off because some of this I don't know what she wants to do with this mess. I don't know why we got a car speaking in there. Kind of random. Lots and lots mess to deal with. There's a random squished up box with an old carburetor or something attached to it. It's an old mallard wheel. Crikey. Let's burn back a bit. More boxes to get rid of. These are some that are very old. Let's put that down there. And get the big brush out. Just trying to clean up some forms because there's a lot of stuff in this garage that needs to get rid of. But for now, I'm going to keep it all up another time because there's so much to do. So what I'll do is probably after over those steps when I'm through with it, because there's so much to do, and what I need to do really is just give some time over the weekend, maybe get an hour or two, clean this area up properly, and just give more chance to really crack at it really for the winter, because I don't come in and out that much in the winter. Yeah, the light is starting to go, but well, it's near winter time of course. I kind of expect that will happen. But we've got basically some floor space now. Obviously this big section here is still being done up, but it's just taking a while. I'm kind of, when time comes, I'm looking forward to go down the size actually, in a lot of ways, because that's mess to deal with, and there's people that has to be stressed about. Living with people, it's not the easiest thing to live with, especially when, you know, our family is a bit combination of stress, city, or overtiredness from different types of people. And often ones that get tired quite quickly after a certain point during the day. So I've done the garage today, done my walk this morning, down to the stream and back here. I do that about 5 days a week when I can. But other times I occasionally have to have that day off in between, just to let my body catch up.